In this video, we are going to create the account subgroups. To create the account subgroups, go to Accounts, click on Account Group. In the account group, you can mention the name of the subgroup. Select the group. The code will auto-generate. You'll have your nature mentioned over here, which is linked to the group. Save the account group. If you click 100 over here, it will display the account group over here. Miscellaneous expense. That's how you create the account subgroups in the system. Thank you.